Welcome back to Shib, everyone. The CEO of Google attests to Shiba Inu burn. Prepare to never work another job. At South by Southwest on Monday, Shiba News. After the failure of Silicon Valley Bank put most tech startups in jeopardy, hundreds of attendees filed into a virtual Zen escape featuring bamboo and cherry tree forests that swayed in the wind, as well as an iconic Wagmi temple, a shrine to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu, which pays homage to the cryptocurrency slogan "We're all going to make it." It provided a break from collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse into the metaverse being constructed by Shiba Inu Bitcoin creators. We'll discuss about Google's CEO confirming Shiba Inu burn in this video. Prepare to never work another job. Shiba reports. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. The enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshir Kusama, only goes by his alias and an avatar that is an image of a person wearing a long cloak and hood. He turns off his video camera and uses Google Meet to inform Fast Company. Refusing to talk aloud, he types into a chat box. He observes that banks have fractional reserves and that more people are choosing to diversify as a result. As that 5% global adoption rate rises, more people become aware of us and ask, "What's this SHIB thing?" after realizing how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Although Web3 advocates remain a specialized segment of the Twitter community, Shiba may have the most devoted cult-like following among crypto deans. The token was created 2.5 years ago as a hoax to elevate a competing meme-based token, Dogecoin Killer, in order to surpass it. Its devoted supporters, referred to as the Army, were extremely serious. With nothing more than a social media uprising, they collectively propelled Shiba Inu into a $44 billion market valuation, placing it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point. Along the way, its universe grew with the introduction of 10,000 Shoshir NFTs, pixelated Shiba characters with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate hat. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange platform. Crypto influencer Elon Musk and Ethereum inventor Vitalik Buterin also gave Shiba shoutouts. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. And what started out as sly trolling by the meme community has amassed 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter. These users are among the loudest on the network and are quick to jump on news stories, dogpiling hashtags like #AshHailShib and #ShibaArmyStrong and threatening to take Shiba to the moon. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally in 2022. With the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Shiru, in beta last week and a series of new currencies in anticipation of a flagship metaverse, it is now making its largest step yet. Rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond will have his first virtual storefront opening in Shiba, the metaverse. Shiba wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme coin. The strange folklore of Shiba Inus contributes to their appeal. Rashi, the company's creator, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet this summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped Discord avatar has vanished forever. He did not, however, disappear. Shoshir joined the plan that Rashi had left behind when the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's tweets caused its age to rise. Shoshir has continued to do so ever since. Shiba's financial situation is likewise unknown. Shoshir claims that while money from Shoshir NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the development of the metaverse. The group is still debating whether to retain a portion of the tokens or what leash and bones tokenomics will be. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees collected by ShibaSwap. They haven't secured venture funding. The word community, which appears frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine articles, is Shiba's biggest boast. As Shiba Metaverse-led advisor Marcy Gastro explains to Fast Company, the Shiba Army's input is being taken into consideration while they map out the metaverse. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software. However, the creative director is absent. They start by creating concept art in black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before making color adjustments and rendering in 3 dimensions. Once more. The WMI Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is an untainted fantasy environment with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. That community also exists in other metaverses, such as the Sandbox, Decentraland, and Yuga Labs' Other Side. Usually viewed as rivalry, Gastro maintains that the pioneers need to unite in order to create the metaverse, a new and revolutionary realm. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. Everyone's victory was what we desired. We merely needed the headset to function. It may come out as overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Gastro is correct, though. What works for one person may work for everyone. For every metaverse finds it difficult to convince people that they should live in the Web 3, or even the 3D Web 2. Even with Mark Zuckerberg's fervent push for Horizon Worlds, Meta is currently more concerned with artificial intelligence than the metaverse. The idea on which Zuckerberg staked the reputation of his business following the metaverse division's $13.3 billion loss in 2022. Despite being the clear leader in the field, Decentraland only has 8,000 active users every day. Furthermore, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar at the end of last year. A number of metaverse coins have experienced an 80% decline. Shiba's market value is now $6 billion, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation at a price of 0.00000001. Should the token's value rise to $1 per token as originally predicted, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, a sum that would far surpass even the world's gross domestic product. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Shiba Inus have become increasingly popular as a result of their high return potential, which has attracted many investors. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. At the time of writing, Shib, the token that powers Shiba, the second largest meme coin, was up 15% to trade at 0.0000000120. Early in March, the Shib price tested and then rebounded from a significant descending trendline support, suggesting that a northward trend shift was imminent. Prior to the trendline coinciding pullback to 0.00000001, the Shib had surged 96% to a new yearly high of 0.0000001576 by early February. The breakout occurred in January. Even with the double-digit gain over the past day, investors need to ensure a few things before they can declare a new bull market. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at 0.0000000120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price shift in the next several days. Nevertheless, price movement below 0.126 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib needs to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence-divergence point to a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is staying above the mean line. Particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22, buyers are adamant about holding on to their hoarded profits. The 4-hour chart's 100-day EMA, which is at 0.111, is above the price of Shiba Inu. Recall that the immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. A daily closing above 0.111 on the daily chart may indicate that support is still in place and that the upside path has the least amount of opposition. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.